This is Maricar. They are a car rental agency that let you hire one of their Go-Karts and let you drive it through the busy streets of Tokyo, all dressed up as your favorite cartoon character. They're not related to the video game Mario Kart or the Nintendo company, which is why the words unrelated to Nintendo is plastered all over the vehicle. Maricar runs a few scenic driving courses around Tokyo and have franchises all over Japan. And they have even hosted special guests like Formula 1 world champion Jenson Button. Even the late Marvel comic legend Stan Lee joined in on the fun.
Nobody treats Spider-Man like this. We're in Tokyo. Stan Lee is telling you, you've got to try streetcar tours. It's terrific. Excelsior.
All you need to be able to drive one of these things is your international driving permit and your passport. Today we have chosen to drive the Shibuya course. It's a 7.5 kilometer course that will take you through Omotesando, Harajuku, and then back again to the famous Shibuya crossing. And on this course, you'll actually pass through the Shibuya crossing multiple times. And because I was having so much fun waving at random people, I got left behind. Okay, I'm stuck here by myself now. Luckily, it was the last corner and I managed to rejoin the group. The entire drive took about an hour, and I think it's one of those crazy things you should do when you're in Japan. We had a lot of fun doing this, and if you want to pick your perfect costume for the drive, you'll need to get to the shop early, unlike us. Sorry. All the contact information for Maricar is in the description below, and if you have liked this video, please go ahead and smash that like button. And like Stanley just said,
it's terrific. Excelsior.